It's not working. I don't think so. It's not working. All right, today's lesson is going to be on demonstrative adjective. From the standard, the student will present information orally and in writing that contain the variety of vocabulary phrases and patterns. Student will give sample description, and then, as we in French, student can shop for items using demonstrative adjective. These are in French, c'est, c'est, set, c'est. And we can translate in English this, and this. You look a little uh, strange to have three Ds. Why do we have three Ds? Here is the explanation. Um, as in French, ce that is translated by this is the masculine of this. So, for example, when we say ce matin, this morning, we use donc ce. At the same time, we have also c'est. This is c'est, peut, is also the masculine of this in French, but only used in front of the word starting by vowel. Example, cet élément, this element in English. And the third one is set. It is the feminine of this in French, but it's also translated this in English. Example, cette class, this classroom. That's what we have for the singular, the three form. Then comes the plural, ces, is this in French. Example, ces chaussures, these shoes. Then, as we saw that, we will just go ahead and see what we do with a real connection world. I display some items student will shop for using the verb acheter, to buy. We have seen last week and also went through in the warm-up. So we have un stylo, un élément invisible, un cahier, des chaussures, une règle. So students will make the connection with the verb acheter and the demonstrative adjective and those items for shopping. So teacher show the item and the student buy them. After we finish with that part, we will go and practice fully with sentences. So I have 4 sentences, and the student will fill in with the demonstrative adjective. Here are they, je voudrais blank, je voudrais acheter blank cahier, je voudrais acheter blank règle, je voudrais acheter blank stylo, et enfin, il voudrait acheter blank élément invisible. At the end, teacher student will go over the answer and will be followed by the homework that is on page 287 of textbook. C'est combien? That is for today. Yes, but
Have you finished? Okay, that's fine. So it's going to be down here. Your there it is.
today's lesson will help you give simple descriptions in French. Donc, ce sera pour vous les adjectifs démonstratifs que voici. Nous avons ces adjectifs démonstratifs. Ce, c'est, cette, c'est. It is in English this, 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 and this. It looks a little bit weird. Why do we have 3 times this?
Okay. Why do we have that?
Okay, all right. We see that very soon. Why we have that? Because French, as you know, we have the feminine and the masculine, what we don't have in English. All right. So here is the explanation of the 3 forms of this. The first one is ce. It is the masculine of this in French. Exemple, ce matin, this morning. And la deuxième, c'est. It's the masculine, but we use that only in front of a word starting by a vowel, right? Okay. And the third one is the feminine, set. But in English, it's still this, as we don't have the difference between feminine and masculine in English. Example, cette classe, in English, this classroom. Any question on that? Vous avez des questions? Vous voulez écrire? Ok. Vous avez une question, Jamal?
Non.
Yasmine?
Non.
Yana? Tout le monde a compris?
Non.
Pas de questions. Ok. Nous allons poursuivre donc pour aborder le prochain point pour mieux examiner parce que ça c'est le masculin. Mais nous avons le pluriel. Le plural, we have the only one that is c'est. So you can make any mistake. Example, ces chaussures. These shoes. Right? It's the only one we have in for the plural. Now, it will help me now to know if you guys, we are together. We have those items and you will shop for them. So, what's this?
Un stylo.
Un stylo en français. Donc, un stylo. Très bien, Yasmine. And what's that?
Un cahier.
Un cahier. Très bien. And what's this? Un élément invisible. Très bien, un élément invisible. Voilà ce que nous avons. Donc, nous allons utiliser les adjectifs démonstratifs que nous venons de voir pour acheter ces choses que je viens de vous montrer. Donc, qui veut acheter ceci?
You want us to say it with this? Using this?
Yes, please. Qui veut acheter ça?
J'achète un cahier.
J'achète ce cahier. Très bien, très bien. Yasmine, j'achète ce cahier. Et qui veut acheter ceci? Oui, Roberto? J'achète ce stylo. Très bien, Roberto. OK? Et qui veut acheter ceci? Oui, Vanessa?
J'achète cet élément invisible.
J'achète cet élément invisible. Très bien, Vanessa. Très bien, très bien. Donc voilà, nous allons, comme nous avons tout vendu, nous allons maintenant passer au prochain, ce qui va vous permettre indépendamment d'aller et de faire vous-même ce que vous devez faire. Vous voyez? Donc vous allez remplir les parties vides avec les adjectifs démonstratifs. Donc vous faites ça vous-même. Je vais soulever et si quelqu'un veut me donner la réponse, la personne me la donne. Donc et je vais l'écrire dedans. Très bien. Pour le numéro 1, qui veut? Numéro 1. Tu peux lire avec la phrase, Roberto? Oui, avec la phrase.
Oh, je voudrais acheter ces cahiers.
Très bien, je voudrais acheter ce cahier. Très bien, Roberto. Ok, Yasmine, pour le numéro 2, donc.
Je voudrais acheter ces règles.
Très bien, je voudrais acheter cette règle. Très bien, Yasmine. Ok. Ensuite, qui d'autre? Qui d'autre? Très bien, je voudrais acheter 16 stylos. 16 stylos parce que c'est le pluriel. Très bien, Jessica. Et le dernier, Roberto encore? Ah, ça va faire... Oui. Oui, Roberto?
Il voudrait acheter cet élément invisible.
Il voudrait acheter cet élément invisible. Voilà, avec le C. Très bien, avec la voyelle. Très bien, très bien. Donc, Roberto, tu as fait double fois, 2 fois, donc tu mérites une petite récompense, Roberto. Très bien, 2 réponses. C'est super, Roberto. Tu mérites une petite récompense pour ton travail aujourd'hui. Très bien, Roberto. All right. So, I want to talk about the demonstrative adjective we saw with you. What do you like, in particular in this lesson?
The different types of this, the word this, they have the feminine, the masculine, the plural, and even the ones that go with the vowel.
All right. Can you find your way through it? Because we have 3 times this in English where we translated it. It's a little confusing.
Yes, I can find my way through it.
All right. So that's why you can do everything right on the assignment that goes with. Okay, good. Let me see. What do you think I'm going to do better in that lesson the way I thought it?
Like, let's see, we could make it a little more fun, like a game. A game, so we can, like, usually when they say game, people usually understand it better. Like, they understand it more. That's what I think you could do better.
All right. Okay. So what kind of game with the item we buy? It look like a little fun on this.
Kind of like a store.
Okay.
You come, you buy something, you pay, and you get your change and all that.
All right. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.